All right, today we're going to do a video of our TruTech CNC Centerless profile grinder. It's new in 2004. It's a TT9500 CNC surface grinder, but it's equipped with a TT5000 centerless grinding unit attachment on the machine. So it's effectively a surface grinder with a centerless attachment. The serial number is TT10222. We have recently updated the motion control card. It has a new computer with the most current version of software that they have. I'm just going to do a quick run through of all the stuff that it does. We're going to start the main grinding, the grinding spindle. That's 2000 RPM. It is a variable head. You can change it here at the pendant. That's going to slow it down. You can also speed it up. That's 3000 RPM. Sounds very nice. Runs smooth. So then I'll show you the variable speed on the roller unit. Again, that's also variable through the control. And we'll start with their y-axis, which is your up and down. Y-axis is quiet. Then you have your table in and out. And then you also have table left and right. Again, the machine was retrofitted with a new control from TruTech. The centerless unit is a TT5000 and it's serial number 1042SS. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching.